Hello friends, welcome to Mata Saraswati channel. I am Dr. Priyamvada Dinesh Bhatt and let us learn the letters of complaint. While developing our writing communication skills, we should know how to write a complaint letter without losing due respect for whomsoever it is being written. Complaint letter is not against anyone, it is just to express our dissatisfaction with the product, service or situation. First of all, we have to understand this thing that while writing the complaint letter, we are not quarreling with the other person. With due respect, we should keep the due respect for that person, but we are writing the complaint or expressing our unsatisfaction only about the situation or only about the service which we are receiving from that product. It should not depict any annoyance. One should be clear, clear, concise and specific in complaint. In complaint letter also, again like any formal letter, we should be specific, we should be clear and we should be concise. The tone should be formal and polite one, again the one and the same. You can clearly mention the desired outcome of resolution if the complaint is heard or noted sincerely. Again, the format of the letter of complaint is same like the letter of order and letter of inquiry. The structure. What is the structure? First of all, again the sender's address, name, address, city, pin code number and country if applicable. Again we have to write all these things on the left side of the paper. Under the sender's address you have to write the date. Under it write recipient's address, recipient's name, designation. Recipient means to whom we are sending the letter. Designation, institute name, address, city, state, pin code and country. Then write the date. Then write the subject. Subject means complaint regarding whatever complaint you want to place or you want to write. Complaint regarding the TV not working well or the mobile phone is not working well, in this way. Then the salutation. Salutation always respected sir oblique madam. Now the body of the letter. And in this body of letter, again you have to write the things from the question itself. You have to take those things from the question and write it very little bit, elaborate it, but keep it concise, keep it short, and in short, in formal way, in respectful manner, you have to write the letter of complaint. Now body. Here we clearly state our if you are student, then give your student ID. If you are a person, then give your name, designation and address in this way, and write the complaint in specific words, give the specific details, impact of the issue in this way, and what the things you are expecting. You are expecting the replacement of that thing, or you are expecting the you want a technician to come to you and to make that thing proper for working proper for you. In this way, whatever your expectations are, you can write there. In concluding line, always write thanking you, closing yours faithfully and your name. Now see, here I will again explain you with an example. Here we are taking an example that you are Raj Gavai. You are student of famous coaching classes, communication skills in English. You are attending that course and you are not satisfied with the course in the way that course is going on. So that to the head of the department, or we can say to the manager, or we can say to that proprietor, you are writing the letter of complaint. Now see example. First of all, sender's address Raj Gavai, Shantinagar, Achalpur, pin code Maharashtra. Then date. Then recipient's address. Recipient's address is the head, comma, famous coaching classes, comma, Achalpur, pin code number, in this way. Under it write the under the line write the subject. What is the subject? Subject complaint regarding the conduct of English communication skill course. Again salutation, respected sir oblique madam. Now you have to write I am Raj Gavai. I am studying in Arts, Commerce and Science College, BA Part 1. In your institute, famous coaching classes, I have joined the English Communication Skills course. This is a certificate course. I have joined this course. I have given the fees in full stop, and regularly I am attending your classes. But I am not satisfied that in the way the course is conducted by you. Then what is your complaint? I have encountered several issues with the course that have significantly impacted my learning experience. Firstly, the lectures are not being conducted regularly. In last month we could have only 4 lectures where they supposed to be 12. Secondly, enough practice is not done in the classes. Then only they are stretching the curriculum, but they are not teaching us any practical things. This has resulted in poor communication skill development of many students belonging to rural background. Then I kindly request you, as you are the owner of these famous coaching classes, to take necessary action and resolve the issues. In the paragraph you can write that if you want to talk with me, if you want to discuss with me in person, I am ready to discuss with you. This shows that you are not quarreling them, you are not against them, but only you want that the conduction of these classes should be better, should be good, should be the best, so that every student will get benefited from it. Then closing of the letter closing of this letter, yours faithfully, Raj Gavai. In this way, in very shortly, in very little quantity of sentences, short paragraph, we have given the complaint, or we have placed our dissatisfaction about the course is going on. In this way, about everything you can write a complaint in precise words, and do not hesitate or do not fear that how to write the complaint about any other things. For example, if you have given the question to write the complaint about your TV is not working, or the smart board in your classroom, or smart board in your tuition classes, that digital board is not working, or mobile is not working properly. In this way, if you are given this question, then also do not fear. Take the subject from the question itself and write your complaint about it in at least 1 or 2 sentences. It will be enough if you can write only 2 sentences of complaint about that product. If you cannot write, but you can always write 1 or 2 sentences that my mobile phone is not working well, or about digital board. Here in exercise the question is given on the issues of digital board. You can write that in the last month I have purchased digital board for 4,000 rupees. It is not working well. The touch of it is not working well. Then the screen which appearing on the screen is not working well. There are many problems in function. In this way you can write 2 or 3 sentences. Or your washing machine is not working properly. It is taking too much time to do its work, or the clothes are not drying. It is not drying the clothes properly in it. In this way, or you can write 2 or 3 sentences. If you do not know anything about washing machine, anything about digital board, but always you can write 2 or 3 sentences about it, that it is not working properly, the screen is not working properly, whatever it may be. Only 2 or 3 sentences you can put your complaint in your words, and then ask them to replace that good, or to send the technician to make it work proper. Okay, so that it is easy, and you have to do the lot of practice, or practice at least 5 letters of every kind. Then you will easily write the letters of any type in question paper, in university examination. Okay, thank you.